Hello my friends, your family outer, Dr. AP. Very common topic in today's environment, and that is piles. Whatever happens in the anus region, public thinking it is piles. I have got piles. My friends, please understand only 3 points. If you get pain, it is fissure. If you get blood while defecation, it is piles. And if you have got pus around the anus, it is fistula. Now, how to differentiate, my friends? Very simple. Please understand. Please. If you have got pain, oh my God, I can't go for defecation. I'm getting lots of pain in the anal region. I can't. It's very painful. When I go for defecation, when I come outside, it pains a lot, doctor. It is fissure. What is the treatment of fissure? Your stool should be soft. Simple. Whenever you are going to pass stool, your stool should be soft. If it is hard in consistency, hard stool, and if you apply pressure while defecation, my God, fissure will increase. Fissure will increase. Fissure is very common, because these days public has gone very common complaint. I have problem in defecation. I have constipation. This constipation causes actually fissure, and the second one is piles. What is piles? You get blood in the stool. Blood. See, you get blood. You can get pain or you cannot get pain. If you don't get pain, that's fine. Only blood comes out in piles. Only blood. It is also called hemorrhoids. Now, how does pile occurs? Piles? The same reason. Don't apply pressure while defecation. Oh my God, you should not apply pressure while defecation. Hard stools will cause piles. And the second one is spicy food. My God, people eat so much spicy. Chilies. In this modern environment, people eat fast food. They all are interested in spicy foods. Many millions and millions of people are interested in spicy foods. They don't know. It will cause piles. It's so common. So if you are suffering from piles, please stop spicy items. Just stop it. Many people eat only non-veg. Stop it. And second, stool should be ekdam relaxed. It should be easy while defecation. Soft stools. You go to the toilet, you sit. Easy defecation. No difficulty while passing out the defecation. Maybe it should be easy while passing out the stools. Easy. Simple. So easy. Hence, even after surgery, people get again hemorrhoids, piles, because they don't improve their lifestyle. They are still eating spicy items. They are still passing out hard stools. So again, you will suffer from piles. And my friends, last one I said, fistula. Pus around the anus. Pus, my God, pus, it is literally, sometimes it is little bit, sometimes it is very huge. A huge amount of pus comes out from the anal region. That is called fistula. In Hindi they say bhagandar. Now the treatment for fistula is simple. Drain out the pus. You have to remove the pus, or else the patient will get immense pain and fever. He can get high grade fever. And it is very tender. He can't even sit. Oh my God, it is very painful. Till the time you don't remove the pus, till that time you will not get relief. So overall, my friends, what did you learn from these three things? Basically only two things. Remember, please, don't eat spicy and chili items. That's it. And second, defecation. Don't apply pressure while defecation. Stools should be soft. Hence they give laxatives. Stools should be soft. That gives relief. Patient will get relief from the pain. It is very bad pain. Fissure gives so much bad pain that patient don't even go to the toilet. They're afraid that they will go there and then that pain will come out. They can't even bear that pain. That sensation of pain is so bad. They really can't bear that pain. Friends, it is so common here. In India, it is very common. People really eat outside stuffs, fast foods. They don't eat leafy vegetables and all. You should eat leafy vegetables. You should drink lots of water, lukewarm water. You should do exercise. Exercise helps in the motility of the intestine. So that helps for it relieves constipation. You will get proper stools. But in today's environment, people on mobile, they don't do exercise. They eat fast food and they drink lots of water. No time to drink water. These all reasons are basically the reasons for fissure and piles. See, fistula can happen to anyone. It's simple infection. Once the infection occurs, it can occur again and again. So, a very good surgeon, if he removes the fistula tract, then maybe it cannot occur again, or else mostly it recurs again and again. My friends, please pass on this message. Piles, blood, fissure, pain, fistula, pus. Simple. I hope if you have got anything, any one of these, you can recognize and you can know the treatment now. If you are getting blood, piles, simple. See, don't forget one thing. If a person is old, then blood comes out from the stools, it can be cancer also. So see, there we forget that part. I am just teaching you about piles, fissure and fistula, that's it. So my friends, any questions you can ask me, but don't get confused. It's very common and you should be very confident about your treatment. Till then, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. I'll come with up next time with some other topic. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Jai Maharashtra.